We noticed this company around 2003 and started working with them, trying to bring clean energy products to the state of Oregon. Since then, they've grown and have expanded their line of products. Backup systems have grown. At Realty MLC, we do research and find the best system that fits your needs. Skyler's going to do a little demonstration on his home backup system we set up for him.
See, it's 100 or something. Now I'm gonna click my PC. Wait, it needs to like put it up properly. Probably need to wait. Just wait. One. Guys, I'm gonna show you. I already have the power. You go click on this AC on/off. You press it. Then that will do. It'll power up everything, like all the devices properly. Then you see it's says not single yet, but it's have to wait. You see this blue light on this? Something, it's powering it up. So when I turn it on, it will turn on. When I turn it on. I know it doesn't really make sense, but I'm trying my best. So see, you just have to wait. Like your other devices kind of like do this on. I'm gonna turn on the lights. Then you see there's output 138 wires or something, I don't know, like power. Now the more you turn on the things turns up, the light on, the more it goes up. So like this, then you see me typing, then now I got in. You just press the game, whatever you want to go. Fortnite, Minecraft, Roblox, any game. Then you play it when as this is on. And you play your games like this. And if you want to add me on Roblox, username Skyler Blam. That's it. No spaces, no anything. Just Skyler.
Show us how the power is being used. I see your other computer comes on over here. Now, how much power are you using right now?
Now it's almost using 300 right now.
So it uses 300 watts of power.
Almost watts power.
It's using, your output is 218 and it goes up and down. You can see the machine, it's pulling the power as we're using it. So Skyler, are you Eco Scout?
Yeah. Subscribe on both of those. Like, comment if it's possible. We're trying to grow this YouTube channel a lot. I'll be live about a lot of games. Rivals, Blox Fruit, Steel Brainrot, anything. Have a good day and bye. Bye bye.